I just come from the veneration of the cross. It was a wonderful evening, peaceful evening. And look at this. This is Medjugorje at night. Tonight, Friday, 27th of May. And it's really nice. Somehow a very beautiful atmosphere here. And people are in the coffee shops. They're enjoying the evening. It's really nice. I want to show you that impression here. Look at that, isn't that amazing? People are out, it's very cool now, because it was during the day it was unbearable hot. I did a video about that if you want to see that. And now people are out, they're enjoying the coolness of the cool breeze of the evening. And look at this here too. The coffee shops are full, or the restaurants better. They are full, people are enjoying. It's perfect temperature now. As you can see, they're enjoying. Just one of these perfect nights after this veneration of the cross, which I really loved. I can only recommend you all come to Medjugorje and see the beauty of that place. It's nourishing your soul. It gives you peace, joy, and happiness. And also you can have like a beautiful time, as you see here, in hotels and in restaurants. And what can I tell you more? It was just really a perfect, beautiful evening. And I wish you all, wherever you are, a beautiful, joyful evening day. And I leave you with this view on St. James Church. God bless you all. Please pray for me. I pray for you. Subscribe to the channel. And share the videos that other people also see the beauty of Medjugorje. And God bless. Bye bye.